In this tutorial, we will see that how you can save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. So let's dive right in. So there are two methods to save Instagram photos and videos. So for the method 1, if you open up your Instagram app, in the right upper side, you will find here these three lines. Click here. It will open up this settings and activity. Then you have to scroll a bit until you find this data usage and media quality. You have to open it and then simply you have to turn on this upload at highest quality. Turn this on, then click back. And here you will get this archive and downloading. You have to open it and here you will get this section saving to camera roll and this option to save original photos. You have to turn on this toggle. This was the first method. Now in the second method to save photos and videos. So let's suppose we are in this profile. It's my own. If I open this picture and then click on these three dots that's showing right upper side, it will show you these sum of options where you have to click on this. We are moving things around. See where to share and link. Click here. It will open up this small window here where you will get this copy link option. Click here, copy link, and simply close this Instagram and then open Google and search for download Instagram photo or video. So in my case, I'm downloading photo. So we write here download Insta photo and search it. You can open any of the one from these websites. I will open this one. After opening it, it will show you this type of dashboard here where you will get this space to paste your copied link. Simply tap on that. It will show you a link on your keyboard, or you can simply key press on that box. It will show you paste option. After pasting it, click on download photo. It will take some time and show you the original HD quality photo to save from Instagram. Like if I scroll a bit, you can see here a photo and download option. Click on this download and it will start downloading here. The same process you can do to download videos from Instagram. So that's how you can save Instagram photos and videos in gallery in just few easy steps.